Click on the link below to get price. The AmScope 80X CMO Binocular Zoom Stereo Microscope with Dual Illumination is an impressive instrument that caters to both beginners and experienced users alike. One of the standout features is its versatile zoom magnification range, allowing users to easily switch between 8x and 80x magnification. This flexibility is essential for a variety of applications, from detailed examination of small specimens to broader overviews. The optical quality is commendable, with sharp and clear images that maintain excellent color fidelity. The binocular design significantly enhances comfort during extended use, reducing eye strain compared to monocular microscopes. The adjustable interpupillary distance ensures that users can customize the microscope's eyepieces to suit their needs, making it accessible for individuals with different eye spacing. The wide field of view enhances the overall experience, allowing users to observe more detail without constantly adjusting the scope. Dual illumination is another noteworthy feature, combining both LED reflected and transmitted light sources. This dual system provides flexibility in lighting conditions, ensuring optimal visibility whether examining opaque or transparent specimens. The brightness is adjustable, allowing users to fine-tune the illumination for specific tasks, which is especially beneficial when working with intricate details. The fine and coarse focusing knobs are smooth and precise, contributing to an enjoyable user experience. The build quality is robust, giving the impression that it can handle regular use without significant wear and tear. The included accessories, such as the stage plate and clips, are practical additions that enhance the functionality of the microscope. While the AmScope 8X80X is an excellent option for hobbyists, educators, and professionals, it may have a steeper learning curve for absolute beginners. However, with a bit of practice, users will quickly appreciate its capabilities. Overall, the AmScope microscope is a great investment for anyone looking to delve into the world of microscopy, offering quality, versatility, and durability at a competitive price.